reproductive system. In this video, you will be learning about menstruation. Menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle is the cyclic changes related to ovulation and secretion of ovarian hormones in the reproductive tract of anthropoid primates like monkeys, apes and humans. Now, menstrual cycle, it's an average duration of 28 days, consists of three phases, namely menstrual phase, proliferative phase, and secretory phase. In the menstrual phase, the human menstrual cycle is counted from the day on which menstrual bleeding begins. It lasts 3 to 5 days, during which the superficial two-third portion of the endometrium, called stratum functionale, supplied with long coiled spiral arteries, is shed. The average amount of blood lost is about 30 ml. Proliferative phase, also known as pre-ovulatory or follicular phase, starts from day 5 to day 14 and it consists of growth of endometrium of uterus, fallopian tubes and vagina. In ovary, a Graafian follicle grows, matures and secretes estrogen, the hormone which is very active during this phase. The ovum is ejected from the follicle near the end of the proliferative phase, that is 14th day or midway during the menstrual cycle. Ovulation occurs under the influence of luteinizing hormone or LH from anterior pituitary. Secretory phase. After ovulation, corpus luteum is formed. Subsequent 14 days in which corpus luteum is active is referred to as secretory phase or luteal phase or progestational phase. Progesterone secreted by corpus luteum is active during the secondary phase. The uterine endometrium and glands grow further during this phase. If the ovum shed at ovulation is not fertilized, at the end of the secretory phase, corpus luteum degenerates in the ovary. The progesterone secretion fails, the overgrown uterine endometrium breaks down and menstrual cycle takes place. If the egg is fertilized, then the pregnancy continues and menstruation ceases. Hormonal control. Menstrual cycle is controlled by pituitary hormones FSH and LH, that is follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone, and ovarian hormones estrogen and progesterone. Menstrual cycle and menstruation remain suspended during pregnancy and lactation. Menarche is the beginning of the menstrual cycle in girls and it is around the age of 13. Menopause is the period of life when menstruation naturally stops in women. It usually occurs between the ages of 45 and 50. The ovaries become smaller, Graafian follicles disappear and are replaced by fibrous tissue. Ova, corpora lutea and internal secretions of the ovary are no longer formed. Uterus and the vagina gradually become atrophic. Ability to reproduce is lost in the female after menopause.